Hi, this is Jay from SIGA. We're here today at a construction site that's recently installed the SIGA Majrex vapor control layer. The next step, as you can see, is we want to seal this seam, and the way we're going to do that is with Rissan 60. So you'll see that the Majrex actually has this bonding aid here along the lower portion of the upper layer of Majrex. So that's the line that's going to help us keep a straight, clean line and get equal adhesion on both sides of the membrane. So we're going to start on one edge and work across. This is approximately a 12-foot run of Majrex. Unwrap all the way around, back onto itself, and this way the paper feeds off automatically as you work across. Utilize the bonding aid, apply pressure, and press the Rissan onto the Majrex. So now our seam is taped, helping to create a continuous air barrier utilizing the Majrex, and that was Rissan 60. Thank you for watching.